At the end of the day, PMs get things done by communicating with a number of different people. Communication is an incredibly important skill for a product manager to have. And it can take a lot of different forms, whether that's email, in person, presentations, or even in written documents like PRDs. As a PM, it's super important to be able to effectively communicate your ideas and get people excited about them. In this lesson, we'll cover the following topics. We'll talk about active listening, which is a big part of communication, is listening to really understand other perspectives and points of views so that you can respond more effectively. We'll also talk about storytelling, which is a way to simplify your message, make it more engaging on an emotional level, and create something that's more memorable and easy for people to remember. We'll talk about being persuasive and how you can structure your message in a way that's compelling to your audience. We'll also talk about presentations. As a PM, you'll spend a lot of your time making presentations, and we'll walk through some things to keep in mind when you're building slide decks to make sure that your presentation is easy to follow. We'll also talk about negotiation and different strategies that you can employ there. Are you ready? Because I am. Let's get started.